The Asset Management Conference created by Solarplaza provides the ideal forum for thought leaders in the industry to collaborate, hear ideas, ideally provocative ideas and new ideas, and to really evolve the state of the industry.
I think the added value of this event is actually the depth of the content. So I thought the sharing and the openness of all of the players to really give case studies and give advice and share their learnings is great. It's really great.
Really, it's such a dense concentration of all the people that I need to see. Good friends and colleagues and new folks that with services and offerings that I just didn't know about before. I can get it all in 2 days. It's a great use of my time. I bring my staff from Tennessee here as well. It's a very good use of our time, and we enjoy coming every year.
Speaking for SMA, for me personally today was the closeness of end users, suppliers, EPCs, manufacturers. The whole mix you create here with Solarplaza Asset Management, that's a value you normally get by having 5 times the effort to meet all these people. Here we meet everybody on the same place, specific market for North America, that we would not get on another show like this.
We like this show because of the people it brings together. We like the show because the discussion is very focused on asset management and about solutions for the solar industry. And we like this show because it really focuses on getting some topics that people care about and people want to be discussing.